We're tracking the COVID-19 vaccine now. Health officers around the Portland metro area said today they're halting sign-ups for COVID-19 vaccinations. The county is overwhelmed with the number of people who are signing up, and it may take weeks or even months to get through that phase 1A group. Fox 12's John Hendricks is tracking the story for us tonight.
The issue is that there are more people eligible to get the vaccine than there are vaccines available. The county's now working through a backlog of folks who want to get vaccinated.
The Tri-County area sounding the alarm today.
I really want to acknowledge how difficult the last few weeks have been.
They simply have more people approved to be vaccinated than they have doses of vaccine. Multnomah, Washington, and Clackamas County say the survey to sign up for a vaccine has now been closed.
You can imagine today's a very dark, low day for us to have to announce this discrepancy between supply and demand.
That survey was launched on January 12th, hours before the governor announced a timeline to vaccinate teachers and staff. More than 60,000 people applied for a vaccine. More than 11,000 were sent an invitation to be vaccinated. But with limited supply, some will not get an appointment or receive their first dose for weeks. Others, without an invitation, may have to wait months.
We know folks have heard statewide that the state is close to finishing the 1A group. That may be true for other parts of the state, but it is not true for the metro area.
The county saying they simply aren't getting enough vaccine. But state data shows that they are on par with the rest of the state when it comes to getting shots in arms. Here's a look at vaccines by county. In Multnomah County, 6.5% of the population has received at least one dose. Washington County is at 5%, and Clackamas County has vaccinated 5.4%. In total, in the Tri-County area, which makes up 44% of Oregon's population, 5.8% of people have been vaccinated in some form or another. The region is not far off from how the state is doing as a whole. 6.3% of Oregon's population has been vaccinated. Most counties falling in that 4 to 6% range, with the exception of some more rural counties like Harney County, which is close to 10%.
Know that folks have been given the message that they are eligible either now or in the next several weeks, but that does not mean that we're going to have vaccine on hand.
The Oregon Health Authority says its allocation of doses is based on the number of people providers can serve and available refrigeration or freezer space.
The counties do say that one of the biggest challenges is not having a reliable forecast, not knowing how much they're going to be getting in vaccine each week. The Biden administration saying today that they are working on a 3-week forecast for states. Reporting from Tualatin, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.